In this session, we'll be creating a VM using QEMU+KVM and Virtual Machine Manager. Here is documentation on prerequisites for it on Fedora that I'm using. For other Linux distros, similar documentations are available. You just need some basic libvirt and QEMU+KVM packages. Once you have it ready, start Virtual Machine Manager. Click on first icon in its toolbar to start wizard for creating new VM. I'll select local install, select required ISO. The default RAM CPU config works for me. I'll reduce disk space to 8 gigs. Let's name it test machine. Clicking finish would launch VM in empty state booting with provided ISO.
Now we have a typical Linux installation set up to proceed with.
Let's finish these steps. Can encrypt the disk as on normal setup. I'll leave it be as of now. Let's name the machine. I'll enable open SSH server setup so it can run it headless and connect from host over SSH itself. Can pre-select installation of particular package groups. I like a simple setup as baseline. Let's reboot the machine and test our set credentials work. Now let's look a bit into VMM options. You can delete C connection details, pause shutdown from the running VM, send it. Under view menu can make it full screen or just scale VM display. Special key combinations. Can pause, resume it from VMM itself and from running machine options as well. Let's shut down to see for copying options. Can clone the entire VM, which would take same disk space and provide a different copy to work on. Can create a snapshot with minimal storage requirement when all you need is a backup restore point. That's for today. It's done.